Hey guys, it's Handy Jeff, and today is another quick tool review day. I just want to show you how the M12 Milwaukee PEX Expander works. I use this thing all the time. It's a lifesaver. I'm here after hours at a salon hooking up a pedicure chair, and I've roughed this in, as you can see, and we need to put a couple stops on. So I'm going to show you just how easy this is to use because it's super simple. So let's talk about the tool first. It comes with a charger and a 12-volt battery, at least the package I bought did. It will expand 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch with the M12 version, which is most residential plumbing. This is going to save you money and labor because if you think back, and I'm going to do this live, show you how long it takes to put these stops in. You, back in the day, would have had to have, put something that was completely flame-proof right here. You would have had to sweat these stops on and hope you didn't light the whole place on fire. This is super simple, super quick, and honestly, I love this tool. Thank goodness this came out because it's so much easier than just PEX with crimp rings or anything like that. So, here we go. Let's do this on the fly. Okay, we're going to do this on the fly. What I've done is I've went ahead and I marked out where my water lines need to be cut. I'm going to come in here with my PEX cutter and I'm just going to go ahead and chop those off real quick. All right, now that those are chopped off, we have expansion rings that we have to put on. But first, don't forget your sketching. So sketching on. We're going to go ahead and put our expansion rings on just like so. We're going to come in here. We've got our stops. Both of them are shut off. Make sure you always shut your stops off before you put them on so that way you don't turn the water on. And we are going to get started right now. Just think about how long this would take if we were sweating copper. I like to let this go 3 times and then just bring your fitting, put it together just like this. Wait for about 20 seconds and it will go ahead and firm itself up. While we're waiting, we can go ahead and do the other side here. Perfect. Just throw our other PEX stop in there. And look, we just put 2 stops in and now we're ready to hook up this nice pedicure chair. And then everything's going to be awesome in the world. But hey guys, it's been Handy Jeff, and if you learned something today, then go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe for more quick tool reviews as well as all sorts of handyman content and maintaining your own machines and that sort of thing. And if you're here on YouTube and you want to really help out, hit that like button because it tells people that this content's worth it, or watch another video because YouTube gods really like that. This has been Handy Jeff. See you in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye! If you want this tool, grab it from the link down below in the description.